My name is Ruhul. We are participating as champion in TM from Catalyst program for the project of AI at scale. We have got partner with us like Cloudera, Clarity, EXFO, and BolgiaTen. We know AI and ML have the potential to transform telco operations, meeting ever-changing customer demand. However, there are many challenges in the process. Getting the right data, having the right skill, and getting the right tool. More importantly, right organizational culture. An organization capability to drive AI at scale can be tested by putting the use case into large production environment and continue the development to optimize the benefit. Automation is key to bring AI model and monitor the complex ecosystem end-to-end effectively. Automation will ensure AI model to be trained and upgraded in production on an ongoing basis. To demonstrate this concept, we worked on an advanced machine learning framework that automates the data pipeline, train the model, and monitor it. We have selected an AI use cases. We called it early identification of possible network-related anomalies. Our Catalyst program has demonstrated how AI should be used in operation. The implementation involved developing a continuous trained supervised learning model using data network. The model output is visualized via dashboard, making it possible for end-to-end user for proper decision-making process. Beyond visualization, we implemented a number of AI ops process. To demonstrate AI governance process, we completed an AI canvas and an AI model datasheet. We documented all the processes step by steps and necessary for implement and maintain for the automation. These documents for deploying AI at scale. We are feeding it to AI ops and AI governance collaboration team. So please join us in this journey. You can scan the QR code to know more about this. We are just click away. Thanks a lot.